Updating your legal name on Noom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your Noom account. Open the Noom app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find name change option. Within the account settings, search for the section that allows you to update personal information. This may be labeled as edit profile or personal information. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Once you find the name change option, enter your new legal name in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for a save or update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Noom will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Noom's customer support for assistance.